As we age, it can feel like our bodies are suddenly more sensitive to what we eat, but figuring out what to put on your plate can be overwhelming. Are you making the right choices for your health after 50? Research has shown that our diet plays a critical role in maintaining health and preventing disease as we age. In fact, a well-balanced diet can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. And yet, many of us struggle to make healthy choices, especially after 50 when our metabolism slows down and our bodies start to change. One of the biggest misconceptions about aging is that it's a natural part of life, and there's nothing we can do to slow it down. But the truth is, our diet can have a significant impact on how we age, and making healthy choices can help us feel younger, stronger, and more energetic for longer. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 foods that can help you achieve a healthier life after 50. From leafy greens to healthy fats, we'll dive into the science behind why these foods are so beneficial, and how you can incorporate them into your daily diet. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. Testimonial: Janet, age 62. I used to struggle with fatigue and joint pain, but after incorporating more leafy greens and omega-3 rich foods into my diet, I feel more energized and my aches have lessened. It's been life-changing. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. This is especially important after 50, when our bodies naturally start to produce more free radicals as a result of aging. Berries are another powerhouse. Rich in antioxidants and fiber, they help regulate blood sugar and support digestion. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular berry consumption can even improve cognitive function in older adults. Try adding them to your oatmeal or yogurt, or snacking on them as a healthy treat. Fatty fish, salmon, tuna. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are high in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health. Studies suggest that these fats can lower your risk of heart disease by reducing triglycerides and lowering blood pressure, and even help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. They've also been linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Plus, it's a great source of calcium, which is essential for bone health. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, which is important for immune function and healthy vision. They're also high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote heart health. Use it as a finishing oil for your meals, or as a healthy alternative to butter and other oils. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower contain a group of compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. They're also high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut contain probiotics, which are essential for gut health and can even help boost your immune system. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote heart health. They're also high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Green tea has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, and can even help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. It's also a great source of antioxidants, which can help fight off free radicals and reduce signs of aging. But among all these foods, there are 3 that stand out as particularly beneficial for health after 50. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are so beneficial because they're rich in antioxidants, which can help fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. They're also high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and can even help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. They're also a great source of protein, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Berries are rich in antioxidants, which can help fight off free radicals and reduce signs of aging. They're also high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. In addition to these top 3 foods, there are several others that are worth mentioning. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, which can help fight off free radicals and reduce signs of aging. They're also high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Acai berries are a type of fruit that's rich in antioxidants and fiber. They're also high in healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote heart health. Mushrooms are a great source of protein, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. They're also high in antioxidants, which can help fight off free radicals and reduce signs of aging. Incorporating these foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being after 50. Remember, it's not just about eating healthy foods, it's about creating a balanced diet that's tailored to your individual needs. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be taking a proactive approach to your health, and setting yourself up for a healthier, happier life after 50. Quick and easy recipes to get you started. Now that you know why these foods are so important, let's get cooking. Here are 3 simple, delicious recipes to help you incorporate these superfoods into your diet. Recipe 1. Green Power Smoothie. This Green Power Smoothie is packed with leafy greens, berries, and a touch of Greek yogurt for protein. Here's how you make it. Ingredients: a handful of spinach, half cup of kale, half cup of blueberries, half banana, half cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of almond milk. Step 1. Add the spinach, kale, and blueberries to your blender. Step 2. Toss in the banana and Greek yogurt. Step 3. Pour in the almond milk and blend until smooth. This smoothie is a great way to start your day with a burst of nutrients that will keep you feeling full and energized. Recipe 2. Omega-3 Rich Baked Salmon. This omega-3 rich baked salmon is not only delicious but also heart healthy. Here's how you make it. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh dill, salt, and pepper to taste. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 3. Drizzle olive oil and lemon juice over the fillets, sprinkle with dill, salt, and pepper. Step 4. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, until the salmon is flaky and cooked through. This recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner that's both healthy and satisfying. Recipe 3. Berry and Yogurt Parfait. Looking for a healthy dessert or snack? Try this berry and yogurt parfait. It's packed with antioxidants and protein. Ingredients: 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 2 tablespoons of granola, 1 teaspoon of honey. Step 1. Layer half the Greek yogurt in a glass. Step 2. Add a layer of mixed berries. Step 3. Top with the remaining yogurt, another layer of berries, and sprinkle with granola. Step 4. Drizzle with honey and enjoy. If you have any favorite healthy foods, be sure to share them with us in the comments below. And if you want to see more health-related content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.